Have you ever wondered what it takes to reach such heights of success? It's not just about brilliant ideas, it's about the habits that shape those ideas into reality. Let's unravel the enigma behind Elon Musk's remarkable achievements by exploring the daily habits that have fueled his meteoric rise. At the core of Musk's unparalleled success lies his extraordinary ability to delegate effectively. Think of him as a conductor of an orchestra, skillfully directing each musician to produce a harmonious masterpiece. Instead of attempting to do everything on his own, Musk assembles teams of exceptional individuals, empowering them to execute his grand visions. It's a lesson in the art of teamwork, where synergy becomes the driving force behind revolutionary breakthroughs. Behind those intense, piercing eyes lies a voracious reader. Musk's love for books is as legendary as his ambitious ventures. Every day he dedicates hours to devouring a wide range of literature. He understands that reading is not just a source of knowledge, but a means of staying at the cutting edge of technology, science, and innovation. Musk believes that reading provides the fuel for his insatiable curiosity, sparking new ideas and perspectives that propel him forward. Yet what truly sets Elon Musk apart is his audacious pursuit of personal interests. While most people stick to conventional paths, Musk forges ahead into the unknown. He doesn't let the fear of failure deter him. Instead, he follows his passions, even when they lead to uncharted territory. This fearless pursuit of unconventional ideas has led to groundbreaking innovations and reshaped entire industries. Fearlessness doesn't even begin to describe Musk's approach to life. He thrives on risk, actively seeking out colossal challenges that would deter the faint-hearted. Whether it's founding SpaceX to revolutionize space travel or Tesla to transform the automotive industry, Musk embraces audacity. He understands that achieving the extraordinary requires a willingness to tackle seemingly insurmountable obstacles. In Musk's world, time is a precious resource. He is a master of workflow prioritization, expertly trimming the fat from his schedule by minimizing unnecessary meetings and distractions. This relentless focus on efficiency allows him to devote his undivided attention to what truly matters: innovation and execution. Every moment in Musk's day is a deliberate step toward realizing his vision. But what about his daily schedule? It's an exemplar of disciplined dedication. Rising with the dawn and retiring with the stars, Musk dedicates the majority of his day to the grindstone. It's here, amidst the crucible of design and engineering, that he shapes his dreams into tangible realities. His commitment to long hours and unwavering focus on his projects sets a benchmark for those aspiring to greatness. It's not merely having a vision, it's about unwavering belief in its potential to drive change. Musk's growth mindset propels him forward, recognizing that dedication and hard work can elevate abilities to new heights. Every day is an opportunity to learn, evolve, and excel, a philosophy that underpins his relentless pursuit of excellence. Elon Musk doesn't walk this path alone. He invites others to join him in his journey. His magnetic vision of advancing humanity and colonizing Mars inspires like-minded individuals to share in his dream. By surrounding himself with those who embrace his vision, he transforms what might have remained ideas into transformative movements. For Musk, integrity isn't a negotiable trait. His straightforwardness and unwavering honesty have earned him trust and respect. Transparency isn't a buzzword in his world, it's a way of life. In a world where ethical lapses are all too common, Musk's unwavering commitment to integrity serves as a beacon of trustworthiness. However, in Musk's world, talk is just the beginning. Execution is the ultimate measure of success. He doesn't rest on the laurels of brilliant ideas. He relentlessly pursues their flawless execution. To him, the idea is but a spark that must be nurtured and developed into a blazing fire of innovation. As we conclude our exploration of Elon Musk's extraordinary habits, it becomes evident that his success is not a matter of chance. It's a result of conscious choices, unwavering dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. His story serves as an inspiration, a testament to the transformative power of vision, hard work, and an unwavering belief in the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into Elon Musk's extraordinary habits. If you found this exploration inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more captivating content.